In this video, I'll show you how to receive monthly snapshot reports from Google Analytics automatically. So what you do is you go up to the corner and click on where it says All Accounts and make sure that you've selected the account that you'd like to receive reports for. In this case, this is for my website, so I've gone ahead and selected that. Once you're here, navigate down to the lower left corner, Admin. There's a little gear, so you'll know that's the right place. And this is kind of tricky. There's an admin section where you see all of these options, and then there's user right next to that. So click on that and make sure it's blue. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down, and it will show you all the different accounts that you manage. Find the one that you want to receive reports on. I've selected mine, and if it wasn't checked already, it will look just like that. As you can see here, I just press the drop down, and I can go ahead and check it. And now I'll receive reports on an ongoing basis. And there's a Save Changes button in the lower right corner. That was a tutorial which shows how to receive monthly snapshot reports from Google Analytics. If you'd like to know anything else about Google Analytics, feel free to leave a comment down below. And remember to subscribe to this channel so you can learn about other types of tutorials. Thanks.